Hi there, this is George Kosh, the CEO of Worldprofit, and welcome to the second video. This is the video that's about promotion. This is the video about making money. How do you make money online? What are the different aspects of Worldprofit to help you with that? I'm going to take a few minutes of your time now to take you through that. I want to make sure that you get everything out of Worldprofit. I want to make sure that you get your bonuses to the max. I want you to make sure that you, again, understand the importance of Worldprofit as a community. We're here to help you. We've been doing this for over 30 years now. We have a community. As you can see, we have our live business center up and running all the time, helping people. And guess what? If you get lost or anything like that, support's here. You've got to get started right here, this little red button. You've got your promotion links right here. These are very important buttons. And of course, free advertising through our brand new incredible WorldCoin. And guess what? You get enough coins automatically as a silver or platinum member to power dozens of ads for years to come, because you keep getting WorldCoins, you keep getting solo ads and traffic constantly with Worldprofit. Let's go through it step by step. First off, I hope you got your bonuses. Those are important. Those are done on lesson number 3. All you have to do is fill out a support ticket and say, I'd like to have my bonuses. Make sure that you know how to turn the Live Business Center on and off. Of course, down here, turn off the Live Business Center and it goes off right away. That gives you more room. You can see more things. And if you need some help or you just want to watch Live Business Center, feel free to do so. So I've got a few things that I want to go through here to make sure that you know what's going on and you know, all of the different assets that you have in your package. First off, like I talked about in that first video, which I hope you saw, we have our message center at the top of the screen here, which you can see, message center. We've got a beautiful menu at the top. We have a message center here where you can get information by just simply clicking on them. If somebody left you a message, you'll see a little number 1 there, just like in Facebook or anything like that. You can deal with those messages in there. We have YouTube videos for pretty much everything. Every different area of Worldprofit, you will find a help video on YouTube. You can then go in there and take a look at that video and get some help. Of course, if you have any issues with anything, absolutely fill out a support ticket. So first off, I want to introduce you to your promotion links. They're right here. This is the first thing that you'll see on the left menu. It says promotion links on the left, and you can click on that link and you're going to see an area called ad examples. This is where you go to get your promotion going. We've got all kinds of different ads in here that you can use, and most people say, what's the best ad? And I always say, well, pick one that you like. You can click on the test, click here, and make sure that when you do pick an ad to promote, you mask the URL. Why? Because it's going to turn it into a URL based on the website that you picked, right? It's going to make it into a trackable link. And I could give you a demonstration here right away. Say that we go to this very top link and I click on it and I say, let's mask it. Notice it says marketing 5,000. Watch this. It'll refresh the page and now it says Cash Quest. And that's my website. You don't want to go there. There's nothing there, it's just a landing page. But that is now trackable with the ad tracker. Next question. Well, where do I promote? Where do I start? What's the first thing I do? The first thing you do is click on training up here. And of course, scroll down and you're going to see top safelists. This is the place that I want you to start promoting. The best sites are the easiest ones to use that are completely free to promote to are up here listed. This list will change, okay? It will change every now and then because we're moving and grooving. We're always trying to find new places to promote. My favorite from 15 plus years ago is Herculist. I would urge you to click the join here button and you'll see it come up, and make sure that you have a pad and paper. Because when you first start, it's so important to write these things down, because then you'll remember, hey, I signed up for here, and etc., etc. Put down your email address that you're using. It's easy to sign up for these sites. You simply sign up, put in the information they need, and then when you're all set, you can go in and you can start promoting to these sites. You're looking for something like send an email. I used to do videos on them, but they changed their sites a lot. All you have to do is go in there and just calm down, like I do when I go into these sites that I look at. It's the same as Worldprofit, right? You look around, there's all these things. You'll find a place where you can send email, usually about 90% of the time for free. They'll maybe give you some free credits like state-of-the-art mailer. Again, just click the join button. And then when you come back to this area, make sure that you put the ID they give you right here. Excuse me. It could be a username. It could be a number. Just don't put the whole link in there. Just put that end part in. Okay. Got MailHog, free advertising for you. There's all kinds of different sites. Make sure you sign up for a lot of them. Get yourself a couple of Gmail accounts. Okay, and that will work great. You can also create different folders in Gmail, things like that to manage your mail. I will tell you one little secret though, is as you're doing your promotions, what I like to use is right here under Biz Builders. And again, you remember you can get to this menu by clicking on the modern menu on the left. Okay, that way you'll see what I'm showing you in the video. You can switch back to the classic menu. But go down here and click on Cool Tools. And all I want you to do is scroll down here. You can forget about all the other stuff for now. Go right here. This one will help you, JitBit, to easily remember ads. All the ad examples, you can put 3 or 4 of them in there and code them. Take my word for it. Watch the demo video. You'll be incredibly amazed. For email client, demo video here, click there, and you will be amazed at how that just helps so much. There's also RoboForm. They've got tons of demos up there. I use it. You can see it down at the bottom of my screen. It helps you log into all of these different places. Okay, and then if you're really cool, you'll go down to a place called the Link Magic right at the bottom there. This thing is a gold mine because it allows you to bookmark all of your logins. And then you log in and you can promote, you can get it done. I do all my promotions in under 5 minutes. So that's a great way to promote. Those are places to promote. There are also other places to promote. Under freebies, you've also got the promo code center. You can go through and you don't have to sign up for all of these, but they've got some great promo codes that will give you some solos and credits and things like that so that you can promote through all these sites at no cost. This is especially offered to Worldprofit. Make sure if you have an affiliate program, you realize that those ad examples are a model. They're just taking you through how to promote. You can then use that type of strategy with your own affiliate programs. But if you're sitting there right now and you're not listening, and I know everybody, it's easy to drift off, listen to this. This is extremely important. Do not send out sales pages. Only opt-in pages. Pages that are very simple, very easy. Let's look at an example here. These are the pages you want to send. They should look just like this type of a page. Words saying the benefits. They should always offer benefits. And you can see them here. Get this, get that, all of these things for free. Opt-in, all we want is a name and an email. Critical, absolutely critical that you understand that. Okay, that's so important, and I can promise you it is the biggest error I've ever seen is people putting in sales pages and saying, how come nobody's signing up? They'll put pages in with menus everywhere and all kinds of stuff to look at. No, simple, very simple, under 10 seconds, massive traffic package helps you generate, I'm in. Click, there's your lead, and leads are gold. Okay, leads are gold. Now, other places to promote. We have Facebook. Okay, we've got TikTok. And super important, if you can swing it, a YouTube channel. How do you do all this stuff? Well, how do I post to Facebook? Look at, you've got ChatGPT to help. You can click on ChatGPT. It can redo ads. It can create images now and beautiful banners and things like that. You can also say, how do I create a YouTube channel? And it'll take you through step by step. No longer do you need to say, oh, I need step by step, I need step by step. All you have to do, go there. If you have questions about the bootcamp training, click the start here, and wow, look at this, access George Kosh specially trained GPT. Click on that, it's going to come up, it's going to even offer you a few questions that you can ask if you want. How do I grow my channels, things like that. How do I do safe list marketing? Please use these things, they're extremely important. And if you need a confirmation sort of about the ads that you're running, click this before you start. It's a great way to just look at how to advertise properly. And like I said, we have thousands of ads in our systems every day that will never work because people are posting sales pages and complex pages and full websites. Never do that. Opt-in pages only, okay? That's extremely important. Now, your promotion links we've talked about, promotion codes, top safe lists and traffic exchanges, which are very easy to find up here under training, okay? Safe list exchanges. Now, how can I help you? I mean, we can't cover all of this stuff. The reason we can is this is an introduction. This gets you started. How do you learn more? Every week I do a workshop. And this workshop is just me, just like I'm sitting here right now. I will help you with any questions that you have. All you have to do is click on the Learning Center, live bootcamp training, 9 o'clock every Friday, free to join, sign in as a guest, just put your name in there. It's completely free, it'll load up on your computer and you can watch me. If you can't make it and you have a question, a burning question, fill in a support ticket and say, George, can you cover this in your next workshop? Absolutely, I can. Next thing that you want to do is, of course, click on training. You can always click on training. I like the start here button. All you have to do is scroll down and you can see my latest recorded workshops. I super urge you to watch the last 4. That's why I list 4 here. Of course, you can see them all on the YouTube channel, which is accessible right up here where it says YouTube channel. Okay, you can go in there and you can watch all the videos on pretty much everything we've got. Advertising, again, as a reminder, you have a diamond rotator, you have a Ruby Solo Blaster, and you have a traffic blaster for a full year. If you don't stick with the program, say, oh, I don't, you keep that stuff. You keep all of the advertising, okay? That's our gift to you. Why do we do that? We're so confident you're going to stick with us, that you're going to stay here forever. We have people that have been with us for over 25 years, and we hope you're one of them. Again, I haven't covered everything in here. Make sure that as you go to these sections, especially things like website management, oh, by the way, look at all this stuff. Each area will help you with videos. I'd say 90% of them are on YouTube. And again, if not, and you're confused, say, hey, George, fill out a support ticket and just ask me any questions that you have. I do a lot of videos for people personally just to help them find their way around. I hope that helps you. If, again, you're stumped or you're lost and you're just not sure what's going on, fill out a support ticket. We're more than happy to help, and we are a massive community. Make sure you click up here, Facebook, and join our Facebook group. Very important. And, of course, the YouTube channel. Keep an eye on that. Every week I'm always putting up new videos up there. Okay, thank you very much and all the best. Good luck with our program.